Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. So I have some prints that I've done here using the same stencil over and over again, repositioning it on the paper, pulling the print, then going back in, more paint on the plate, and pulling the ghost print as well. So it's what I did over and over and over again to get this type of texture designs. And then this one I just did a couple of pulls, leaving a white background. And this one. So what I want to do is, using my Posca pens, do some mark making on them, and then I will cut them in pieces. So because these are large tips, which work well, so I'm just going to randomly do some marks. And this print was done on with printed letters in the background. So I'm just going to do some random marks. And we know that by the time these things are cut in pieces, they will have a different look. So that's one. And I like that color blue. And I'll go in with this one using the white chisel tip. I'll use this black chisel tip. Some marks like that, and I'll use black again. So those are just random marks. Give it a second to dry. And then I usually cut them in 3x3s. normally just measuring 3 by 3. So I'm going to cut these up and come back. Okay, here's what it turned out to be. I rearranged it different ways, but this is what I ended up with. Some pieces were used more than once, and some like this in the center just one time. And so I sort of put this mat around it. You can sort of see what it would look like if it was matted. So I always find this an interesting project to come back to often in terms of my eye and how I see things and the arranging of the prints. It's always very interesting to play around with. And so, thank you for my recent subscribers. Really appreciate you checking out my channel, and thank all of you for faithfully commenting and sharing your thoughts and your views. Thanks for stopping by.